What makes Tesla the biggest electric car company? One word: leadership. When we talk about leadership in the electric vehicle or EV industry, we're referring to a variety of factors. Let's break it down. First off, let's consider deliveries. In 2022, Tesla rolled out over 1.31 million electric vehicles. That's not just an impressive number, it's a testament to Tesla's production capacity and demand for its products. This achievement cements Tesla's position as the world's top dog in EV manufacturing. Now, onto market share. As of 2022, Tesla holds a robust 18% of the global battery electric vehicle market. That's nearly 1 in 5 electric cars on the road today bearing the Tesla logo. This figure leaves competitors in the dust and underscores Tesla's dominance in the EV arena. But Tesla's leadership extends beyond the numbers. The Tesla brand is synonymous with electric vehicles. When people think electric, they think Tesla. This level of brand recognition is unparalleled in the EV space, and it's a powerful asset. It's not just about selling cars, it's about shaping the conversation around electric transportation. So, what does all this mean? Well, in the race to electrify the world's vehicles, Tesla is leading the pack. They're setting the pace, defining the standards, and showing the world what's possible with electric technology. In terms of market leadership, Tesla is firmly in the driver's seat. Tesla's financial prowess is another key factor behind its top dog status. As of January 27, 2024, Tesla is not just another automaker. It's the world's most valuable one, with a market capitalization that towers over a staggering $580 billion. This isn't just a number, it's a testament to the confidence the market places in Tesla's vision and execution. But it's not all about market capitalization. Profitability is a vital sign of a company's financial health, and Tesla has been showing positive signs consistently. Despite the fluctuating net income, the company has been maintaining positive operating margins. This is no small feat in the nascent and highly competitive electric vehicle industry, where many are still struggling to break even. And then there's the growth potential. Tesla, it seems, is just getting started. Analysts are predicting continued impressive growth for the company. They foresee further market share gains and increased production capacity, feeding into a virtuous cycle of growth and profitability. And let's not forget, Tesla is not just a car company, it's a tech company, an energy company, and a vision of a sustainable future all rolled into one. Tesla's financial muscle, coupled with its growth prospects, set it apart in the EV landscape. The company is not just leading the charge in the electric vehicle revolution, it's setting the pace and defining the course for others to follow. Tesla isn't just an automaker, it's a tech company that's revolutionizing transportation. Picture a company that doesn't just assemble cars, but creates an entire ecosystem around them. That's Tesla for you. Its strategy of vertical integration is a testament to this. Tesla controls numerous aspects of its production chain, from battery manufacturing to software development. This not only allows for unparalleled efficiency, but also fosters innovation. They're not just building electric cars, they're building the future. Now let's talk about something that feels like it's straight out of a science fiction movie: autopilot and full self-driving capability. These advanced driver assistance systems are pushing the boundaries of autonomous driving technology. With each software update, Tesla vehicles become smarter, safer, and more capable. The company's commitment to artificial intelligence is not merely about convenience. It's about redefining our relationship with cars and reshaping the way we travel. Of course, what good is an electric car if it runs out of juice halfway through your journey? Tesla has addressed this major roadblock in EV adoption with its supercharger network. These charging stations, scattered across the globe, significantly reduce range anxiety for Tesla drivers. You can travel from Los Angeles to New York or from London to Edinburgh, knowing that a supercharger station isn't too far away. It's not just about building cars, it's about creating an infrastructure that supports them. But Tesla's innovation doesn't stop at the car or the charging station. It extends to the user experience. Tesla's over-the-air updates, think of them as software upgrades for your car, continuously improve vehicle functionality and performance. Your Tesla vehicle doesn't just age, it evolves. In a world where technology and transportation increasingly intertwine, Tesla stands at the forefront. By integrating tech into every aspect of the electric vehicle experience, Tesla is not just leading the EV revolution, it's defining it. Tesla's technological edge is propelling the entire EV industry forward. Despite its successes, Tesla faces its fair share of challenges and controversies. One of the most significant hurdles is the company's production bottlenecks. With demand for Tesla vehicles soaring, the company sometimes struggles to scale up production to meet this demand. This issue often results in delivery delays and backlogs, causing frustration for eager customers waiting for their new electric vehicles. Then there's the matter of quality control. Critics often highlight reported issues with build quality in some Tesla vehicles. This criticism extends to Tesla's customer service, with some customers voicing dissatisfaction with the company's response to their concerns. These quality control issues represent a challenge that Tesla must address to maintain its market leadership and customer loyalty. But perhaps the most talked about controversy surrounding Tesla involves its CEO, Elon Musk. Known for his outspoken and sometimes unpredictable behavior, Musk's public persona and tweets can create a media storm, occasionally overshadowing Tesla's achievements. While his audacious vision drives the company's innovation and ambition, his controversial statements can also generate negative publicity. While these challenges present hurdles, Tesla's position as the biggest electric car company remains unshaken. The company's combination of market leadership, financial strength, and technological innovation continues to keep it ahead of the pack, despite the roadblocks it encounters along the way. Tesla's combination of market leadership, financial strength, and technological innovation keeps it ahead of the pack. The impact they've made on the automotive industry is undeniable, and their role as a forerunner in the EV revolution is well established. Despite facing challenges and controversies, their position as the largest electric car company is unquestionable. Whether they retain their top spot amidst rising competition is yet to be seen. The future of Tesla is as electrifying as its cars, and we can't wait to see where it goes next.